Kids shake their arms and legs to the beat. The final freeze is standing tall with hands on hips and feet apart, like a confident statue. Jump out into a wide star shape with arms and legs stretched. Freeze with your whole body open, strong, and still. March with high knees, lifting them to the chest. The final pose is one knee in the air and arms steady for balance. Make big rainbow arcs with your arms side to side. Freeze with one arm reaching high overhead and the other resting down. Twist your upper body left and right like dancing. Freeze in a gentle twist with your spine long and belly pulled in. Lean forward and spread your arms like wings. Freeze with one leg back and arms straight out, balancing like an airplane. Bounce softly like you're sitting down to music. Freeze in a strong chair pose with knees bent and arms reaching forward. Step side to the rhythm. Freeze with legs apart and one arm pointing to the side. Circle your arms like big windmill blades. Freeze with both arms stretched wide at shoulder height. Sway left and right in a gentle fold. Freeze with hands touching the ground or hanging softly. Walk your feet in place while in downward dog. Freeze with hips high, arms long, and heels reaching down. Move your spine like a stretching cat. Freeze with your back rounded high and head tucked in. Drop your belly and lift your head like a happy cow. Freeze with your spine relaxed and chest open. Bounce gently in a low squat like a frog. Freeze with hands on the floor and knees wide. Lift one leg and make soft kicking movements. Freeze with the lifted leg extended straight behind you. Rock your body back and forth in boat pose. Freeze with legs lifted, belly tight, and hands holding behind knees. Flutter your knees like butterfly wings. Freeze with knees open, back tall, and hands holding your feet. Twist to each side as you follow the beat. Freeze with one hand on your knee and the other behind you. Move your arms like wings while lying down. Freeze with arms stretched out to the sides in a T shape. Lie completely still, like a peaceful statue. Freeze with legs straight, arms beside the body, and eyes gently closed.